everyone, we are now at SUZHOU Star New Material, and this is Tiffany. Tiffany, would you like to say hi to the audiences?
Hello everyone, this is Tiffany from SUZHOU Star New Material Company Limited. Hello.
Okay, so Tiffany, about your company, do you want to say something to the audiences?
Yes, of course, I'm very proud to attend these exhibitions. Yes, let me introduce our company first. Our company was established in 1999. Yes, we have over 20 years history. Now we have 4 series of products: anti-static bags, e-commerce postage bags, and biodegradable bags. Also have energy saver insulated materials. Yes, let me show you. Follow me.
Okay, so let's move to the products.
This kind of products is insulated products. Yes, you can make it into bag. You can see. Yes, it is insulated. Also, this one is also insulated. We can do very many postage bags. You can see e-commerce bags. Yes, we can print full colors, and can customize logo and size. It is very beautiful. You can see from our products. Yes. This is our zipper bubble matters, also very widely used during the transportations. You can see. Yes, and the most important one I want to show is about our new products, our biodegradable bags. You can see.
Okay.
Yeah, this is our biodegradable bags. Yes. Maybe from the appearance you cannot tell it from the common bags, but the material is different. This kind of bags is made of PLA and PPAT. This is the main raw material of these products. It means that under the composting, it can be fully degraded into water and carbon dioxide, so it does no pollution to the environment. As you know, many countries and regions has a ban on plastic because it do harm to the environment. It cannot, it will pollute our environment. But for this one, it will not pollution. So it will be better. Yes. Also, we have relevant certificates. Let me show you. You can see we have many patents and certificates. We have rich experience in importing and do these products. Finally, let me show you about our biodegradable products. You can see this is all biodegradable products. Yes. This is mailers. Yes, the function is same with the postage bags, but it is biodegradable. Yes. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact us. Thank you.
Okay, so thanks for such a fancy introduction about company and also the products. So now, before we end in this part, would you like to say something to the audiences?
I'm very excited to show my products to all the audience, and thank you. If you have any questions, you can feel free to let me know. Yes, thank you for your seeing. Thank you.
Okay, so if any audiences are interested in this, you're always welcome to like and comment on Pack Eno. Now, follow me. We are going to the next stop.